Good evening, students. Today I am going to start with biographical sketch. Biographical, right? And popularly known as bio sketch. And this question is of 4 marks. This question comes in exam of 4 marks and its word limit is 100 words. Word limit is 100 words and it is of 4 marks. Usually it comes at question number 5 in your question paper, right? It comes at question number 5. So what is bio sketch? You will be asked to attempt a biographical sketch in up to 100 words. Some notes will be provided or an individual's life or achievements, etc. Students are expected to expand these notes into a short paragraph, right? You will be provided some notes, some points, some clues, and you have to expand those points into a short paragraph, right? So shall I start? Characteristics of a well-written bio sketch. Characteristics of a well-written bio sketch means the points you should follow before or while attempting the bio sketch, right? So first of all, we'll take proper headline or title. First of all, you should write a proper headline or a title, right? Then you have to write relevant content. Then next is the content should include all the given hints. The content should include all given hints. Right? Next point is important aspects should be highlighted. Then next point is accurate expression should be there. Accurate expression. Next is fluency. Next is accuracy. These are the main characteristics of a good biographical sketch, right? Now, I want to give you some important tips, right? A biographical sketch conveys, and tips are, a biographical sketch conveys information about person's life, achievements, likes and dislikes in a comprehensive manner. Right. Now, tip number 2 is, important tip number 2 is, a well-written bio sketch shows the student's skill. A well-written bio sketch shows a student's skill of organization of matter as well as language accuracy. So, I have told you a good bio sketch shows a student's skill of organization of matter as well as the language accuracy, right? Now, I just want to tell you about its marking scheme, right? So, marking scheme is content. For its content, 2 marks are allotted. Expression or fluency or accuracy. Accuracy contains again 2 marks. And the total is of, as I earlier told you, right? If you write a good bio sketch, you will definitely 4 marks, right? Now, this was And I have told you the biographical sketch, its marking scheme, and its marks and word limit is 100 words. Now, I want to read a example for you. I want to give a profile of Mr. This is question, right? Profile of Mr. Jacob, right? This is profile of Mr. Jacob. He is the physical training instructor. Physical training instructor of your school. You have to write a short bio sketch of Mr. Jacob. You may take the help of the clues given below. And just keep in mind, your word limit is 100 words. And this question is of 4 marks, right? So now you have to frame, you have to write a bio sketch, and I'm giving you the clues. Clue number 1 is age 38 years, height and weight 180 centimeter, weight is 72 kg, right? Now point number 3 is education, MPH, right, from Rajasthan University, Jaipur. Next point is experience 15 years, duties morning assembly, drill, coaching in the evening, organizational tools, organizing chores, and hiking, tracking, specialty. These are his specialty. Why I like and dislike him. Next point is why I like or dislike him. Strict discipline. He maintains strict discipline. Commanding voice. Orders harshly. Gets angry if disobeyed. Strict. Commanding voice. Orders harshly. Gets angry if disobeyed. Right. Now I'm giving the solution of this question, answer of this question. Mr. Jacob. This is bio sketch of Mr. Jacob. Mr. Jacob is, I'll include all the points, right? Physical trainer or physical training instructor means PT, right? Of our school. He is 38 years old. He is 180 centimeter tall and weighs 72 kg. He has a master's degree in physical education from Rajasthan University, Jaipur, and a diploma in coaching of athletics. He has experience of 12 years. He has experience of 15 years. He organizes morning assembly and drill. In the evening, he coaches us in various games and athletics. He organizes tours. Hiking and trekking chores are his speciality. I like him for his commanding voice. He impresses us as a strict disciplinarian, but he orders us harshly and gets angry if he is disobeyed. So, student, this is the bio sketch of Mr. Jackal, and this is answer of my question. This answer always or often comes at question number 5, which weighs 4 marks, and it should be of 100 words, right? So, that's all for the day. Next time I'll come with some another topic. So, good day.